Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting everyone on the same page. Confirm matching CPM versions and required mods because mismatches break connectivity. Once done, create a private lobby and set a password so only your group joins. Make sure one person will act as host to control settings. Assign that role now. Then pick the map and mode and configure round count, time limits, and score caps so everyone understands win conditions before you launch the session. Next, balance teams and confirm roles. Do this out loud so nobody duplicates a specialist. Once teams are set, tune network options. Check ping displays, set net interpolation, and decide host migration behavior to avoid mid-match disconnect chaos. Then run a short test round, move around, test hit registration, and verify voice comms. If you see lag spikes or desync states, stop and adjust net settings, or now launch the match and play normally. Observe performance and rotate host between games if one player's connection is consistently better. Make sure to end matches cleanly so scores and replays save properly, and consider recording highlights or exporting stats after the session. If problems occur, first resync everyone by leaving and rejoining the lobby. If that fails, restart the lobby, verify mods match exactly, or switch the host to the most stable connection. That single troubleshooting step fixes most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.